Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to prepare peas pulao. It is a famous dish from Goa which is cooked for almost all occasions. To prepare the pulao, I will need 1-inch cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamoms and 4 cloves. Also 1 large onion finely diced and 1 large tomato diced finely. I've heated the pan and added 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, I'm going to add the dry spices and fry it for a minute. After which I'm going to add the diced onions and fry till translucent. Followed by the diced tomatoes and fry till the tomatoes turn soft. That is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm using 1 cup of basmati rice and I'm going to wash the rice first. I've washed the rice and I've kept it to soak for 3 to 4 minutes, maximum of 5 minutes, as my tomato is getting cooked. To enhance the flavor of the pulao, I'm going to use 4 bouillon cubes, powder it and add it to the pan. For 1 cup of rice, I'm going to use 2 cups of water. I'm going to give this a mix and cook it till the water gets a boil. Now it's time to add in the rice. I have added the rice. Stir in the rice and reduce the heat. And this is the time we check for salt. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir to incorporate the salt. Taste and see if we require any extra seasoning. Wow, I've tasted it and it's just amazing. And it has all the flavors that I wanted it to have. But if you feel that it requires any extra seasoning or a bit of salt when you are making it, this is the right time to add the salt. I'm going to add half a cup of green peas to give it a lovely flavor. Well, you could even add sweet corn, carrot, or any other veggies that you would prefer. What I'm preparing today is peas pulao, and the green peas give a lovely color and a beautiful flavor when you have a mouthful of the pulao. Cover and keep it for another 3 to 4 minutes and the rice is going to absorb all the water. How well the pulao has cooked after 3 minutes. So guys, you can see the rice has absorbed the water. Gently give a nice stir and leave it to cook on slow heat for another 5 minutes. Oh wow, look at the grains of rice. They have fluffed up and the pulao looks amazing. The green peas give a lovely color to the pulao. And the pulao is cooked right now. But if you want to enhance the flavor of the pulao, like me, you can add 2 tablespoons of butter. After adding the butter, I'm going to switch off the gas and cover it and let it rest on the gas for around 7 to 8 minutes. So what is going to happen is that the butter will melt and the rice is going to absorb the flavors of the butter, and the butter is going to enhance the flavor of the pulao and it's going to be delicious. So friends, you can see here how well the pulao has fluffed up. The grains have risen and the rice has cooked well and it has fluffed. Now I'm just going to fluff the rice with a fork. The aroma has filled the kitchen. It is just so amazing. You have to try this recipe out. And pulao goes well with chicken, Xacuti, or any other chicken gravy if you are chicken lovers, or any other meat gravy. I'm going to pair the pulao with chicken Xacuti, which I've already prepared. And it is just so mouth-watering and finger-licking good. You have to try this recipe out, friends. It is also known as Arroz. So friends, here have the pulao. You can see the grains are all single and loose. They are all fluffed up. And it is just so amazing. I'm going to pair the pulao with chicken Xacuti, which I have prepared over here. And the recipe to prepare chicken Xacuti is there in the description box. Do try the recipe of the pulao and the chicken Xacuti and let me know in the comments if you have anything to ask for. This steaming hot pulao goes well with chicken Xacuti, and I've just prepared both chicken Xacuti and pulao. And look how lovely the plate looks, and I'm telling you friends, this is the best food that you can taste in the Goan cuisine. And let me take a bite and just feel how lovely it is. Wow friends, it is amazing. You have to try this recipe out and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it as I have prepared. Just see that you follow my recipe to the T and you're going to have some amazing food at your home. If you liked my today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Share this recipe with your family and friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.